Hello, kids. Today, we will read simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I see the bird. The bird can sing. Again. I see the bird. The bird can sing. Now your turn to read. I see the car. The car is red. Again. I see the car. The car is red. Now your turn to read. I see the dog. The dog can run. Again. I see the dog. The dog can run. Now your turn to read. I see the egg. The egg is brown. Again. I see the egg. The egg is brown. Now your turn to read. I see the ball. The ball is round. Again. I see the ball. The ball is round. Now your turn to read. I see the cat. The cat is white. Again. I see the cat. The cat is white. Now your turn to read. I see the moon. The moon is big. Again. I see the moon. The moon is big. Now your turn to read. I see an apple. The apple is red. Again. I see an apple. The apple is red. Now your turn to read. I see the bed. The bed is big. Again. I see the bed. The bed is big. Now your turn to read. I see the fish. The fish can swim. Again. I see the fish. The fish can swim. Now your turn to read. I see the bus. The bus is yellow. Again. I see the bus. The bus is yellow. Good job. Let's read together. I see the bird. The bird can sing. I see the car. The car is red. I see the dog. The dog can run. I see the egg. The egg is brown. I see the ball. The ball is round. I see the cat. The cat is white. I see the moon. The moon is big. I see an apple. The apple is red. I see the bed. The bed is big. I see the fish. The fish can swim. I see the bus. The bus is yellow. Good job, children. For more reading practice, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode.